Hey you guys, so my birthday is exactly 1 month away, and last year I made a list of 27 things I want to do in my 27th year of life, and one of those things was seeking more adrenaline. So I am in Vegas today and we are going to SpeedVegas. SpeedVegas is a racetrack where you can either rent and drive a car yourself, you can do a ride along, they have go-karts. I am going to go for a ride along in a really fast car, so let's go check it out. It might be the windiest day in Vegas, but I am surrounded by all of these insane luxury cars. It is so cool. This is so crazy, you guys. I am literally sitting in the front seat of a beautiful Porsche right now. This is insane. I feel like I do not deserve to sit in this car. It is seriously stunning. Check this out. Such a beautiful car. You can see a blue one next to me. Over here, I got them all lined up. Heck yes. Did my ride along. Let this be an ad for my Ardell lashes. Okay, I just had to go step into the bathroom because it's so windy and it's so loud in there, but I have to tell you guys, this is literally the coolest thing I think I have ever done. Sitting in luxury cars and getting to be in the passenger seat while going drifting with a professional driver. That was insane. My heart is literally pounding. I literally had to take off my jean jacket because I was like sweating because it was like just adrenaline, the thrill. It was wild.